It's almost as if they're encouraging people to climb this thing. Tempting as it is, I really don't want to fall down there. What's going on, everybody? This is Brian from Exploring with the Hunts. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm heading down to Lower Manhattan, and I'm going to walk the Brooklyn Bridge. And over on the other side is the Dumbo neighborhood. We haven't seen that yet, so go check that out. I think there's some breweries and some hangout spots over there. It's gonna be a fun Saturday. Be sure to join. A lot of people are out and about today walking this bridge. Looking back at Manhattan in this direction. But let's keep on going forward. Head over to Brooklyn. The mighty Brooklyn Bridge right here. A lot more fun to walk than it is to drive across. Almost to the other side. Just made it across, and now I'm going to check out the Dumbo neighborhood. Gonna make a stop here at Randolph Beer on the corner of Pearl Street and Prospect Street. First up, I got the Randy barrel-aged Imperial Stout right here. Take a look at that. That is nice. That is just nice. Aged in rye barrels, I think it said. So that was a really nice brewery. That barrel-aged stout was delicious. I loved it. But now I'm gonna head out to the waterfront area. There's some waterfront parks over there, overlooking the bridge, overlooking Manhattan, all that. Shout out to the subway. Overlooking the river here. To my right is the Manhattan Bridge. Straight ahead, of course, Manhattan. And to the left was the Brooklyn Bridge that I crossed a little while ago. We have the carousel here. It is not open right now, but hopefully it reopens soon. Such a gorgeous, gorgeous view, guys. Love it. Even though it's cloudy out, it's still a really nice day here. So I walked over a little bit. There's some construction going on over this way, but I found this kind of a hidden gem little area, kind of like a garden. Let's walk around. It's kind of nice. It's pretty pleasant. Not a whole lot of people over here. This is cool. All right, so that is over there. That is the groundbreaking of the Giga Coaster that is gonna travel across the river and over into Manhattan. It's gonna have like 10 airtime hills and some loops and all kinds of good stuff like that. Just love the city parks here in New York. 1 minute, you're over there in these big buildings, and then you can sit back and enjoy some nature. one last time taking in this awesome view of Manhattan across the river. And way off in the distance is Lady Liberty. I don't know if the camera is picking this up right now. Statue of Liberty over that way. It's a beautiful day, man. Happy to be back here in New York, having a good time. Sound the gong of victory right there. Yeah, I lied. One more time checking out that view. Take a look back there. Now I'm on my way to a ramen spot called Kogane. I might be pronouncing that incorrectly, but that's where I'm heading, having a late lunch, I guess, or early dinner, however you want to call it. I love ramen. It's a cloudy day, a little bit chilly. It's a ramen day. By the way, it's on the corner of Orange Street and Henry Street, right here in Brooklyn. Here we are. Let's go on in. Really liking this indoor area. This is really cool. I ordered something a little bit different. I ordered the miso Maine lobster ramen. Looking forward to it. And this is the miso lobster ramen. Ooh, look at all that. Look at that lobster. That's beautiful, ain't it? Man, that was delicious. Again, that place is called Kogane, or however you pronounce it. It was really good. The broth was awesome. It wasn't really spicy, so I would have liked to have some spice on it, but it was delicious nonetheless. Really rich broth and everything. There were multiple chunks of lobster in there, in addition to the one that I showed you in the clip back there. It was delicious, delightful. Check it out, y'all. And so this is actually the Brooklyn Heights neighborhood right here. Going to take a brief detour through Cadman Plaza Park. It's quite pleasant. And it looks like we have here a World War II memorial. Let me slow down. Y'all can pause and read that. Dedicated to the heroic men and women of the borough of Brooklyn who fought for liberty in the Second World War, especially for those who suffered and died. May the sacrifice inspire future generations and lead to universal peace. Amen to that. I think I am now in downtown Brooklyn. I found a brewery nearby, Circa Brewing Company. Making my way over that way. Just taking it all in though. I have arrived at Circa Brewing Company. It's on Lawrence Street, close to Willoughby Street. Nice little outdoor area. Get a table. And I got a Circa snack mix as my quote-unquote Cuomo food. And I got their Imposter Syndrome. It's a stout on nitro, so it's gonna be really smooth and creamy. Try it out, y'all. Cheers. That's nice. That's really nice. That is quite pleasant. That is very, very pleasant. That's all I gotta say about that one. Let me show y'all the atmosphere in this spot. So I just rode the subway down a little ways. I'm in the, I guess it's the Carroll Gardens neighborhood. Gonna check out a few breweries over here, and then also, if there's some time, head on over to the Red Hook neighborhood and check out some breweries there too. First stop is going to be Svendale Brewing Company on the corner of Court Street and LaCour Street. Oh, well, that kind of sucks. The brewery is not open anymore. Oh, upstate New York. Interesting. Yeah. If we make it to that town, we'll have to check it out. Change of plans, stopping at Volksbar. And there is the menu on the wall. Let me try to focus on it. Not wanting to focus, but they got a pretty good selection. And here is the atmosphere for y'all. And over here, I got the Penumbra. It is a stout collaboration with another brewery. Sorry, it's so dark. Anyways, just try it out. The Penumbra. It's nice. It's really pleasant. Has a little bit of peanut butter taste to it. It's good. It's really nice. It's kind of like almost like a Reese's in a glass. So that was a nice chill spot. Enjoyed my time there. That beer was delicious. It was Penumbra. Tastes kind of like a Reese's in beer form. Anyways, I'm heading to Other Half Brewing Company. It's several 4 or 5 blocks from here, something like that. Check back in with you when I get there. And I believe this is it. Other Half Brewing Company. Chocolate Macadamia Nut Imperial Stout. Let's try this out. Man, that is awesome. That is so good. And they have their canning process right here, right by my table. Looks very interesting. So that was a really fun day in Brooklyn. Brooklyn Bridge, all that good stuff, all neighborhoods, breweries, everything. Just good day, very good day. Ended the night out at a block away from that last brewery at a place called The Watershed. Really cool bar. And then headed on home. Anyways, in the next video, picking up Sarah from the airport. We're gonna do some fun stuff as well. But thank you guys for watching this one. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that bell icon for notifications. Have a good day.